What's up, folks? I feel like I just saw you. Oh, right, because I just hit end on the other one. So this week I keep saying week, this video, that's better. We're going to put that pen together that we turned on the lathe with the new camera setup. Hoping you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you let me know, because, yeah, it's always appreciated to know that, hey, we like this. Because I got a new stand I'm looking at, which I mainly got for live streams, but then I was like, I bet that would work good for a camera mount too. And it has an arm so I can bring it over so I can really get you guys close and get it up out of my line of sight, but you can still see a better angle. So with that, we're gonna pop the pen off the lathe because I haven't even done that yet. And then we'll put everything together. Sound good? Hope so. Here we go. Hey, while I'm thinking about it, so did you guys know that you can support me for not spending a cent by hitting the like button, subscribing, and sharing my videos? Doesn't cost you a cent. Helps the algorithm see me a whole lot more, and it's totally free for you. It just takes 3 clicks. Just wanted to throw that out there. Thanks. Bye. All right, so to get these off, you just pull this off. Sometimes it comes off as one big section. Sometimes they come apart easy. If you do not own a pair of Welpers and you do lathe work, or specifically pens with bushings, buy a pair. That tip, this is for taking welder tips off. It's perfect for 7mm bushings. And honestly, it's just overall a great pair of pliers. And it gives you a solid grip without beating them up too much. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about a good pair of Welpers in the shop. I was also a welder for years, so I might be a little biased. But let's get over to the table to put these together. Don't mind my cup of tea with the new logo I've been playing around with. If you guys want anything like Yetis or tumblers engraved, I do that as well. Don't forget. Shameless plug from our only sponsor this week, me. All right, so this is actually a different pen. The Big Ben cigar pen kit. I'm making a cigar pen kit, but the instructions are close enough. It's basically just put these together in that order. So I'm just gonna fold this down. Right there. Set that there. If I need instructions, they're right there, but these are pretty easy once you remember everything. So the upper blank is our short one. The lower blank is this one. Oh. I might have to get a different set of instructions. These ones are in a lot more pieces, I forgot. Well, I always start by just pull everything out of the bag. Because once you got all the pieces, parts out, you just lay them in order. And yeah, I'm gonna grab the right instructions. Oh, give me 1 second. All right, and I'm back. So I don't like doing this with the digital because it's harder to see, but okay. So with that, all right. So that goes to there. This piece goes back there. And by the way, Wood River, which is just out of sight on this, is actually the brand by Woodcraft. I don't go there as much as I used to. I've found better prices through other suppliers, but Woodcraft is still good. They got good stuff. And they got stuff I can only get there, so I mean it's, and I got a lot of friends that work there. It's actually where I met the guy that makes those with Crosscut Creations, which you're going to be seeing a lot more stuff, his stuff, since yeah. We're just going to move that because I don't know if you guys can read what my coworker is sending me, but I've been messing with him all day because he had to work today and I took PTO because I didn't want to work. So from here, I'm just taking this spring and popping it over on there. And then I also think I had a customer hit me up while I was recording something here, so I'm going to have to look for that here in a minute. All right, and then you just thread that on. I didn't cut. Oh, I put these together backwards. I gotta go grab some punches real quick. I'll be right back. I put this on the wrong thing. All right, now that I'm not dumb, all you do is take a punch, put it through there, knock that out, put it back through the other way, knock that piece out. It's a pain in the rear, but it's doable. So we're gonna press these in the right side now. Sometimes it tears the internal parts up a little bit, but it's nothing you guys would ever see if I ever have to. So there we go. Sometimes with these, it matters which way the spring goes. So this one, I need a little bit more pressure, so I had to flip that around. And then we just take this, thread this together, lock that in. Yeah, so that's that. Now we need this. Should go on there. And wait a second. I forgot. You need that little ring in there before you lock that down. All right. And then finally, I always like to pre-assemble this whole assembly if I can. Put the decorative ring on. No. I don't know where that cap just went. All right. Well, once I find that cap, I'll screw that on the top. And then you just press that in to where the shoulder's just barely sticking up. So as soon as I find that, we'll be right back. Sorry. Thank God shiny shows up great in light colored sawdust. All right, so then we just thread this down. There's that. And that just presses together just like that. And this one has a double action, so you can turn it all the way around. This one does not. That's why I say these are two different types. But overall, I am really not sad with this. But I just got a text about somebody that has an order with me. I got to go finish that up and run it to them. All right, so with that, we are going to call it a day. Well, call it for now. So I cannot wait to try this one out. This is definitely going to be the first of many fun pens this year. If anybody else has anything that they're interested in doing, trying, seeing made, anything like that, feel free to reach out, throw comments down. I look at everything. I try to reply to everything. Sometimes I am busy though and forget. But yeah, so with that, I will say cat in the hat, dat be dat. See y'all later. And look for the new ad in after this.